So, and the last but least, we have triadic. 3 colors that are evenly spaced on the color wheel. This provides a high contrast color scheme, but less so than the complementary color scheme, making it more versatile. This combination creates bold, vibrant, and color palettes. So basically, as I said, this is a three colored one. So, and it is versatile. The combination of these 3 colors can make your design bold and vibrant color palettes. So now, without further ado, let's go to the next one. So I think, let's see. For the third one, let's go to the next. Now we'll be dealing with hex codes. So a hex color code is expressed as a 6-digit combination of numbers and letters defined by its mix of red, green, and blue, which is RGB. Basically, a hex color code is shorthand for its RGB values with a little conversion gymnastics in between. Every color has its own unique hex code. So I want you to open your browser and search for hex code of any color of your choice. So now, why hex codes? Hex color codes make it easier to get the exact color that your client wants. For example, if your client said use emerald green for my graphics, just head on your browser and search for emerald hex code. Someone can search for purple hex code. And the tips to get the best color hex code for your designs is this website down below. It is the website down below. So just tap on it, search for your color hex code, and you see it right away. So now let's go to one of the outlines. And then our next outline is typography. So typography is the art and technique of arranging type. It's at the center of a designer skill set, and it's about much more than simply making the words legible. The typeface you choose and how it works with your layout. You choose grid, color, scheme, and so on will make the difference between a good and bad and great design. And in this class, we are aimly looking for a great design, or let's even say perfect design. This simply means the font type you are using. There are fonts that can be combined together through the best is to use the same family fonts, e.g. Arial Black and Arial Bold. They are open sans, font bold, so that all fonts have its own family category. I'm not sure of all fonts, but most fonts have family categories. So now, to check how fonts can be combined and the best combination, now that we already know the principles and elements, how do we get the design inspiration? Design inspiration can be gotten from nature, which is observing your environment, from websites and imagination. For you to get the best type combination, let's say font combination, this image you're seeing here is a site or an browser. So just zoom in and you see it. So now, design size. I know design size really impacts the layout of your design. So for me, whenever I'm having a square flyer design, I use 3200 by 3200 on Canva. And when I'm having a rectangular design, I use 3500 by 4500. You can also play with your dimension by maybe 1080 by 1680, just use what your heart feels it wants. So now let's head on your Google Play Store or maybe App Store to download a Canva application. The link is down there for you to tap on it. I'll leave the link down below for you in the description box below for you to tap on it and download it. So now I'll teach you how to open a Canva account. So first of all, open your Chrome or browser, which is the link I will also give. That is for the site creation, but I would like you guys mainly to download the app. So once you downloaded the app, you sign in with your login details and That brings the end of our class, guys. I hope we enjoyed the class. I will appreciate your feedbacks in the comments down below. Do this if you enjoyed the class. I would like you to like, subscribe, comment, and share for more updates. So stay tuned to Maria Umar Graphic Design Tutorials for our next class. Thank you, guys.